Hi guys, in today's Let's Talk tips, I'm talking to you guys about the consistency pack water should be for Barfi, and this goes the same for Rascala. When you're using pack water, the first thing I would say is add a little at a time, because that milk can absorb that water or that pack so fast you wouldn't know what hit you. So if they're dry pieces of milk, you want to add a little at a time, as you see I've done there. Add like a tablespoon and keep mixing until it comes together. Once it comes together and you use the back of a spoon and you press down, you'll see that it's holding together, just as you're seeing there. So for the pack water, I go with a ratio of 1 to 1, which is 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water. You want to bring that up to a simmer, allow all of the sugar crystals to dissolve. Once it starts to bubble away, I like to go in and take my fingers and touch it just to make sure it has the consistency I would like, which is the consistency of oil. It's not going to be sticky, and it's not going to be forming any threads, and it's not going to be crystallizing. Look at it. It looks just like oil. It's basically a simple syrup, and all you have to do is use it to soak your rascala or to make your barfi. The trick to making the barfi is the amount of liquid you put in that milk. So I hope you guys enjoy these tips. If you would like me to talk about any other tips, leave them in your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy and safe Diwali 2018.